Hello students, welcome in our third session of lesson Gulliver's Travel. Student, this is our third session and it's about question and answers. Students, in the last session we have seen that when one thing was going on, the second thing is happened. So as per that, just now complete the following question. Now complete the thing suitably. I was sitting in a taxi yesterday when I saw a lady calling me. Okay. Then he was cleaning out his cupboard when he came across old diary pages. Right? Look at that next one. I was running fast when a dog ran out onto the road. Then fourth one, students were talking loudly when the teacher walked into the room. Right? So complete this sentence as given here. Then question number 3, when we compare two things or people, we add er or more to the describing word. Okay. Then when we compare three or more things or people, we added est or most to the describing word. Look at the following example when first two are compared and when all three are compared. So let's see. In a first picture here, boat is given, sailboat. Then in a second there was a car, and in the third picture it was a aeroplane. So look at that first sentence. The sailboat is fast here. Then we will compare the boat with the car. The car is faster than the sailboat. We will compare the car with aeroplane, then it will become like the aeroplane is the fastest of all. Then more difficult and most difficult is there. Okay, difficult, more difficult and most difficult are the three forms of comparison. Students, now let's see another picture here. Hitting a target is difficult, so describing word is difficult. So if when we compare it with another, then juggling caps is more difficult than hitting a target. Then look at that next one. Doing complicated magic tricks is the most difficult of them all. So the comparative degrees are given here, or the comparison between the things is given here. Okay students, then now complete the following sentence in the same way using the words easy or strong. So let's complete. Look at that. Skipping is easy, jumping is easier than skipping, and walking is the easiest of all. The word here we use, the dog is strong, the horse is stronger than the dog, and the elephant is the strongest of them all. Now complete the following in the same way using the words juicy or exciting. The order may vary according to your choice. Okay, so apple is juicy, sugar cane is juicier than apple, and orange is the juiciest of them all. And exciting, look at that. Rock climbing is exciting, skiing is more exciting than rock climbing, and river rafting is the most exciting of them all. So these are all comparative forms of degree given over here, in which first is a positive degree juicy, in second one we added er to the describing word, and in a third, that is superlative degree, we added est. So juicy became juicier in a comparative form, in a superlative form it became like juiciest, right? Okay, look at that next question. Question number 4, correct the use of the describing words in the following sentences. Okay, correct the use of describing words in the following sentence. Here students, the wrong sentence are given for you, but you have to correct them. Okay, this is the simpler problem of them all. Then second one is, which is the lightest of the two parcels. Third one is, he is the cleverer than I am. I like this the best of the two. The flood became badder as the rain increased. Sorry. So the correct answers are, this is the simplest problem of them all. Second, which is the lighter of the two parcels. He is cleverer than me, and fourth one became like I like this better of the two, and fifth one is the food become worse as the rain increase, right students? So the flood become worse as the rain increase, it is the last sentence, right? Then question number fifth, punctuate the following sentences using the capital letters, full stops, commas, question marks, apostrophes, exclamation marks, etc. where they are necessary or whenever it be necessary. So the paragraph is given here, and then I will I will make then you can see the corrections. The first para is here. Dear Samir, I am sending you a photograph of my newest pet. Frisky is bulldog and a very playful puppy. By next summer he should be old enough to go with us on our long walks. I am sure you are looking forward to seeing him. I know you will like him. Warm regards, Sanju. And the correct answer is, let's see students, dear Samir. Look at that in a given form and in a corrected form. In dear, while corrected form I made D capital and S also capital, then I put comma here. Then look at that, in the next sentence I became capital instead of small letter. So I am sending you a photograph of my newest pet, full stop. Full stop is added here. Then Frisky, then here in a word Frisky I made F capital. Frisky is a bulldog and a very playful puppy. Again you have to give a full stop. By next, by means B is the first letter of the word after the full stop, so therefore it should be capital. By next summer he should be old enough to go with us on our long walks. Okay, then I am sure you are, here I use looking forward to seeing him. Here full stop is given. Then I know you will like him. Warm regards, comma, and your Sanju. Between the you will, I am, and in another places I use apostrophe, right? And then look at that question number 6. Punctuate the following. Next Wednesday, my sister Mita is going to join the State Bank of India. The right answer is next Wednesday, my sister. Next, in next, N become capital, Wednesday, W become capital, and after sister you should give comma. Then Mita is going to join the State Bank of India. State Bank of India, one of the firm or organization, therefore each letter of it must be capital. Then afterwards you should be place full stop here. Okay, then look at that second. The dog wags its tail when it's pleased, but a cat waves its tail when it's angry. Then look at that answer. The dog wags its tail when it's pleased, but cat waves its tail when it's angry, right? Then look at that third. When I went fishing, I caught an old shoe, a plastic bag, and a bad cold. When I went fishing, I caught means here I became capital, and old shoe, after that old shoe you can put comma, then a plastic bag and a bad cold. Afterwards at the end there must be full stop. She fed the baby, washed dishes, put the lights off and went to sleep. Then look at that correct answer. She fed the baby, comma, washed the dishes, comma, put the lights off and went to sleep. At last you must put full stop. Then look at that last sentence. Wasn't team born on the 26th January 1989? Answer is wasn't team. So word team is a noun, and therefore you should make the T capital. Born on the 26th of January. January is the month, therefore its first letter must be capital. In 1989, at the end there must be a question mark because it is a question, right students? Here our question and answer session is finished. Thank you for hearing.